Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Tonlé and welcome back to Africa. We are still on the river Gambia, sailing upriver into the heart of West Africa. The landscape right now has changed from the ever-present mangroves further downriver, where the river is still salty, to a beautiful, I would probably call it savanna, with baobab trees, nipa palms, reeds, lots of birds, and yesterday night we have heard hippos for the first time. We haven't seen them yet, but they're definitely here, they're definitely around, and they make a noise at night. They're loud, they sound big. So pretty excited to be here. So now we are going back to the village, because in the morning there's fresh tapalapa, and we have reserved a couple for us yesterday. And yesterday we didn't take the camera, but they told us it would be alright if we take the camera and film a bit. So we'll see. I'll take the camera, and if I feel comfortable I film a bit. If I feel that the people in the village are comfortable I film a bit. We are getting our water filled with the good help of these guys. They're pumping our water out of the well. It is very good water, very fresh water, very sweet water.
Yeah. Nice.
This is how it works here. How deep is the well? You know?
What?
How deep is the well?
Deep?
Yeah?
Maybe 20 meter or
20
30
meter.
meter, yes?
Wow.
Actually, I don't know the deep, but maybe 20 meter or
Yeah, super deep. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
So this is the
Yeah.
main water tap. That is what you film. And the tree there. There's a super big baobab tree here. Now you can, if you turn it around, can you see yourself? Now you can see yourself. Now you can.
Yes.
Now we are all in the picture. Say something. Hello.
Very nice. Very nice.
Let's go get bread.
Bread.
Yeah.
Yes.
Japalapa. You
Let's
like
go
it?
to shop.
Let's go to the shop.
Shop.
Do you want to be cameraman?
Yes.
All right. You be cameraman.
Hey, boy, ngarang-ngarang boy, hey, bombo. Ki ang usap siwal. War nang usap, nang usap, zalkan nang usap. Hey, bombo klar boy.
So.
Hargam nang usap.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Have a look here. All right. So you get the school. Oh. Have a look.
Jauh tinggal sana. Wah. Langit. Biar share kan boleh kamu. Yeah, it's good. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice.
Now we have the. Right behind me. Here is the well, where you pump up the water, and then by gravity feed you have it distributed. We have a cameraman here, cameraman here, cameraman here, the whole group. And now we're going to the shop. And look at the landscape. Isn't this just raw beauty?
Yeah.
One moment.
Yeah, it's a this boba is good. Yes, thank you.
That's the
How are you?
Thank you.
Hey, I'm very
What is
good.
your name?
My name is Robert.
Yeah,
what is your name?
Robert. My name is Umar Kiam.
Umar Kiam.
Yes.
All right, Umar Kiam. You're doing good work with the camera as well.
Yes.
Ah, lovely. Look, these trees.
This is Ono kai? Kono ara ko ini. Kuni
Hey, not bad. Some wrestling going on. You like fish?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is the name of that one?
This.
Yeah?
Kono.
Kono kono.
Yes.
Kono kono. Okay, okay. And this one? This one I had already.
Fish.
This is just fish.
Cedar.
Cedar. This one I like. It's very tasty. This one I have not tried.
Oh yeah.
I will try.
I will like this one. Never had English video yet.
Let it.
They will sell it.
Here's the shop. Yes, we're getting close to the shop.
Morning.
Hello. As Robert.
Alex, remember?
Robert.
Robert is there. Fish. I'm feeling like there's a fellow in my time.
Yes. The back.
Alright. We have fresh chapalapa. Lovely.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning. I'm Robert. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Uribaya.
Uribaya. Oh, that's difficult.
Yes.
Uribaya.
Yeah.
A very nice name.
Yeah, man.
Let's do this up.
Het is een echt veel respectvol.
Sure.
And it's Tapalapa.
Tapalapa.
Alright.
Breakfast. Yellow?
Let's go.
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.
What's my? What do you want to say?
Just a bit of
We have some super cool footage filmed by these guys here.
Yes.
They're going to be some good filmmakers.
Riba.
Now we're going to have a look at the river.
Riba side. Yes.
Yeah.
La. Is a kernel.
Robert.
Jambal is a board maker. Jambal.
Very good.
Yes, Sally.
Good morning.
How are you?
Jambala?
Huh?
Good morning.
Jambal.
Good morning.
Yo.
Good morning.
How are you?
Very good. You?
You're fine. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Robert.
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 Moi.
Non, moi c'est Robert.
Ok, moi c'est Mamadou.
Mamadou. Yes. Oh. Enchanté. Et c'est ton profession? Tu fais
La
le photo?
fabrication.
He's making boat. He's a boat maker.
It's a very good profession.
You see the boat?
Ils sont super jolis les bateaux.
Yes.
Très bien.
Les rosses, les daquets.
Ah ouais?
Good. Ah oui,
Ah ouais, c'est
So,
une gomme? That is then the side one.
The other side.
so he will show you.
No, this is not so.
I absolutely love the eggs that he's using. Yeah, it's really cool. You have this.
Wow. Hard work, yeah? Nice.
Very nice.
And with a lot of time, for one boat. A lot of work. 1 week.
Here, on the riverside. Yeah, it's very big, eh? This village is really cool.
Very nice.
I really like this village.
Yeah, everyone same thing.
Here we have the local animal husbandry. A really nice cage. Morning. For some goats with some shade. Hello goats. Arr, how are you? They're fine. And we have some cows here as well. Oh, and a young one. Woo, big horns. Good morning, cows. Mmm. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful. Here we have even more dried fish. It's a lot. We have lots of catfish here. And I'm not sure, I can see only catfish. Lots of catfish.
Sometimes you can get few.
Sometimes you get less, yeah.
Very few.
But I guess that's like, it's normal that you get, sometimes you get less, sometimes you get more, yeah.
Rather you can get more fish. But
Okay,
at the race,
so we're at the second boat builders here. And this one is made from three. So not from planks, but this is one big tree that was just hollowed out. That is a lot of hard work to make this. Very nice. That's a good job. That is beautiful. Like, yeah. That's very. How long does it take you to make one? Combien de temps pour faire une? Hein?
Combien de temps?
Combien de temps pour faire une?
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah, no, 2 months.
2 months.
About 5 years, 10 years.
Yeah. 5 years. This one.
9 years.
All right. These are like one piece. Really cool. Really nice. Huh? What do you want to say? Great for it. Now we're heading to Harum's compound. That is where his family lives. With his father, he told me has 2 wives and 15 kids, and he has also a wife now. Good morning. And now we're going to say hello. Okay, if I film a bit?
yeah, if
Yeah.
you can take picture, no problem.
So this is
our compound.
Harum's compound. This is his home. And all the way through
my
here.
house.
The blue one.
Yeah,
All right.
that's my house.
The blue one is Harum's house. I like it. Yeah. And what I also like is the central tree that spends some shade. Yeah.
Our ship.
They have some sheep hanging out in the shade. Here is getting some baobab fruit.
Yes.
Oh yeah, can I show? So this is what hangs in that tree. And these seeds.
Just one.
Thank you.
Yes, it's nice.
And these seeds, the white flesh is super sweet, like super savory. But you have the hard seeds in the middle that you need to spit out. I like it. I love baobab. So it's been a super warm welcome here. Everyone's super friendly. This guy filmed a bit for me. Where's the other film guy? The other guy's gone. So I had some assistance with filming. Gave us a really nice tour yesterday and today as well. We got some tapalapa, we got our water filled. Everyone made us feel very welcome. So if you're here with the sailboat, stop by, say hi to the village, say hi to Harun, get some fresh bread and enjoy Gambia. Alright, we're heading back to the boat. What a nice visit again. What's the name of the village?
Kudang Tenda.
Kudang Tenda. If you pass by the river Gambia with your sailboat, be sure to stop here. This is really lovely.
Kudang Tenda really became the village of our hearts here in Gambia. We kept in touch with Haruna, who welcomed us so warmly and showed us around, and a few months later he announced to us the birth of his first daughter. Congrats to you, Haruna, she's really beautiful. As in most Gambian places, people are just so friendly and the vibes are so good and high, even though life here isn't really easy. So that's for sure something we love about this country, and the memory of it will always put back a smile on our faces. So next time, it's again all about cruising the river and some fun encounters with the fishermen. Stay tuned!